As I'm preparing for a winter storm, I just realized that the bed of my Hyundai Santa Cruz is really tiny. I mean, it's okay for me, but you see this? I cannot even close the tonneau cover here with my gas canister, which I just bought to be prepared for the storm. So just want to make you aware that that's pretty small. And speaking of the tonneau cover, here's another thing. So we get a snowstorm today. What I realized, you see this? It's almost impossible to open and close right now because it's always like freezing over here. It's freezing here. Actually, even that part, the lever here, it's freezing. So it's really not designed for harsh winter conditions. I'm not really sure if one can blame Hyundai or not, but if you have a tonneau cover like this one, instead one out of fabric, you just need to be aware that during winter and when it's freezing, you cannot open it at all. Although it's a pretty sturdy thing, so I wouldn't want to miss it, but I just want to make you aware that that can be a problem like we have here in our conditions. So that's how it looks at my local Home Depot. They are actually all the time good prepared when it comes to storms. This time they have the gas canisters out, the oil for your generators, so that's actually pretty good.